love. Okay. Alrighty. I know I don't have makeup on, and you know, you'll say, no, you look okay, you look, you know, I know I look okay, but I'll look better if meron ako makeup. So, I'm gonna do my makeup sa car. I'm gonna start with foundation. I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation concealer. I'm in the shade 04 medium beige, and I'm gonna mix it up with this Dream Satin Skin Maybelline B2, the Air Whipped with SPF 24. Oh my gosh. Pakasa nga nila, no? Now I'm gonna blend using my beauty blender from Real Techniques. Right love, wrong time, can't press rewind. Okay, I'm done with foundation. I'm now gonna put on some concealer. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Guys, ang liit na lang niya, guys. Dito na lang siya kasi I use this one sa China sa foundation. I'm not really gonna conceal a lot. I'm just gonna brighten up. Oh my god. I'm just gonna brighten up my eyes. Going up. I mean, like going here. Going sideways. There you go. Alrighty, now that we have a clean base, we're now gonna contour, highlight, and do our blush. With blush, I'm gonna use the Ever Belena Advanced, the trio, not really the trio, I mean the duo. It's called Blush Duo Baked Thick. And then we're gonna use this one to contour my nose. I like this one because it's angled and sobrang dali lang niya. Look at this one, I just put it like this. Then the other side. Parang wala nang tansya-tansya. There you go, and now I have a nose line. So easy. This is a fake Real Techniques Sam and Nick contour brush. I'm gonna contour my jawline. So this one here. And my cheeks. We're gonna do the highlight on the top of my cheek. Just to have the radiant sun-kissed look. For eyebrows, I'm just gonna use my Maybelline La Sensational. Yes, I use this one for my brows. There you go, brows are done. What else do we need to do? I'm gonna blend everything together with this brush. Fluffy brush. Contour, the highlight. That is it, guys. That's my everyday makeup sa car look. This is what I look like every single day in class. Just a fresh, parang radiant look lang. List of the makeups I use will be on the description bar, also with the prices, so you better check it out, okay? I'm now going to class in a bit, and I'll take you guys with me. Hey everyone, I just finished my first class, which is, oh, I'm too bright, sorry. What do you call that? 12 to 1:30, which is re-ed, yeah, religion class. And I'm now going to my favorite lunch place here near the school. It's a karinderya, bro. They really serve really good food, so I'll take you guys with me. Bye. Now going to my favorite karinderya place, and in our school we have like museums here. That's the old cameras. Amazing, no? Look at that lens. That's big. That's what she said. This is the USC Museum. And we're now gonna exit. That is cool. That's me again. Okay, let's go out. Hi. Lunch. Oh my god, is it red? Is it green? Is it blue? Wait, I wanna go na. Hi! Oh my god, it's green! Let's go! Oh my gosh. Okay, it's still green. Okay, wait. Oh no. There you go. Alright. Okay, this is red. So we're gonna stay for a bit. Change of plans. It's too hot to eat sa non-air-conditioned food place. So I'm just gonna eat at Jerry's. It's a chicken place and it's air-conditioned. It's really, really good. This is Jerry's. That's the air-conditioned one. And I hope they did not turn off the aircon because sometimes you turn it off. Okay. Okay, cannot cross. Okay, there you go. Hopefully it's not off. Is it off? Is it aircon? Okay, it's good. So this is my lunch for today. This is breast, which is 33 pesos, and puso, which is hanging rice for 10 pesos. So that's 20, 33, and then 15 pesos worth of water. So we're gonna eat na. With my lunch, and I'm just watching Grey's Anatomy. I'm now on season 1 episode 8, which is Save Me. So I've been addicted to this one. Wait, I'm still in season 1? Oh yeah, I'm still in season 1. Oh my god, a long way to go. Either way, I'm using Netflix. Hello! I just arrived here inside the classroom. Third floor to siya, pero hindi siya ginagamit kasi they only use this one for entrance exams, and there's no one here. This is actually where I always stand by. I'm not gonna tell you guys the room number because baka mag-stand by kayo dito. It's usually always dark. I just turned this on. I mean, I just turned on the air condition and I just turned on the lights kasi I wanted to charge my gadgets there. And yeah. Oh, and I bought fries, barbecue fries. I'm not gonna turn off the lights because I'm watching Sitio's YouTube channel, YouTube video. It's her last name about me, and of course, congrats for reaching 200,000 subscribers. Hi, I almost forgot about you. I'm now going to the teller because I'm gonna meet Kim there. I'm so oily right now. But I really wanna get some coffee for it's already 6. Should I get? Yes or no? Comment down below. I'm meeting Kim. I don't know why he's here. Hello! Kim! Wait, where's the teller? Hi! I'm so oily right now. By the way, I'm using Milani Concealer and Perfect Foundation. Hi, nagunta ka? They miss you. You're so blur. Asa ka? Magkapitan na. Oh my god, can you pay for my coffee?
No!
Please! Sige na.
Hi guys!
Please, serious.
Kita ko
Ni Bottom. Nakaganyan si Bottom. Funny kasi naman. Nako sa ilang likod mag-talk-talk sila about vlogger.
Oh.
Awkward!
Oh, kita ko ni Franklin.
Hala, uy, my god.
Ito to.
Dai,
Ito to ba?
Franklin's really a good guy. Dai, please lang, Dai.
Asa mo ito mag-coffee? Uy.
7-Eleven. Yo! Asa di mo gusto?
Starbucks.
Halat, Dai! Dai, social mo niya ako, friend. Dai, ikaw ba ito sa akong 7-Eleven coffee, please? Kay 108 pesos na ako man right now.
Yo! Okay.
Thank you.
Ibo ko na kape ko uguan.
What?
1,800 machine.
4?
8. Okay, 9,000 ang electricity bill sa...
Sa imo?
No, dito sa Labangon.
Kay?
Kunya.
Kuha mo na ako pang aircon?
No. 20% ako So 20% sa 9,000 is 1,800.
isang guy na black. Hello. Oh my god, do you wanna try McDonald's? McDonald's. Magpasta, di. Magpasta lang to. Gani, magpasta ko next week.
Nanipas ganina.
Dahil na ganina dawat for June or for August? Yeah. Are you stupid?
Asa ka ba?
Sa ko friends. Sa
early.
Duh. Dapat lang. Asa ka kung mag-OJT, no? Dagan ka, ganahan mo kuha na ako. Uy, wag ka.
Balik na lang kasi mga vlogger.
Duh, all are. Oily ba sa bayot?
Asa makasapal?
I don't know. Should I?
Maboard ka.
Aladay, kabad. Asang nice. Ngayon ko sa seaside, kay doon sa amo. Ganasad ko sa La Nueva Pharmacy, kay doon sa amo. Pwede. Tanga ka, day.
Nanagyan mo.
Bugo mo ng bayot.
Nag-jogging na ka?
Oo.
Mauwa.
Guys, this is my OOTD for today. Day, ipislit please. Ipislit ka ni.
Nakuha ko yung business mo.
OOTD. Cuties. Woo! Diba? Cob match. Cute pa man. Fairness, kiki na.
Body structure.
Ha?
Ay, ayun na, pag-vlog pa kayo na please.
Okay, go. For that clip, I went to my class and then I went again to Cebu Public Library to chill because it was still 7:30 p.m. and no Nestor couldn't get me because my other car was in Casa, is it Casa or somewhere na in the office of the car because it needs a little bit of fixing and I didn't want to go home alone using jeepney because grabe ang traffic. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna text my papa or my father. I was like, Pa, where are you? What time are you going home? And he was like, I'm still in a meeting. I'll probably go home at like 10:30 or 11. I was like, okay, fine. You know what? I'm just gonna chill inside or somewhere. So that's why I decided to go to Cebu Public Library. I just chill. I binge watched Netflix. I watched Grey's Anatomy. I watched 3 episodes. So that's literally 3 hours because it's always not 1 hour. It's always 40 minutes each episode. And we went home. And now I'm home. I'm fresh. I just took a bath. And then I cleaned my room. Just a really, really quick room cleaning, and then I'm just gonna edit not a bunch. I'm probably just gonna do a little bit of responsibilities, and by that I mean like posting statuses that involves brand. What else? Basta a little bit of work, and then I'm gonna do work with my school work because we have an assignment that is due tomorrow 9 AM and I'm running so much. I'll probably just end the vlog here. Again, thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't yet. Join the family. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, everywhere else because I do chika there. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I know this is such a random, slow life vlog, but yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna continue this, but either way, let's just have fun with life. Again, thank you so much guys for watching and see you guys on the next video. Bye!